On May 12, 2026, a team of scientists published a single image, one image, but it changed everything we thought we knew about the universe. For the first time in human history, we saw the hidden skeleton of the universe, something that was always there, but we could never see. But before we begin, let me ask you a question. When you look up at the night sky, what do you see? Scattered stars, distant galaxies, and endless empty space. But what you see is not the truth. The universe is not empty. The universe is not random. The universe, in its true form, is a web, a giant web of invisible threads, connecting every galaxy to every other, stretching across hundreds of millions of light years, and forming the entire structure of the cosmos. Scientists call it the cosmic web, and on May 12, 2026, we saw it for the first time. But to understand the greatness of this discovery, and you first need to understand what the cosmic web actually is. Imagine you're looking at a sponge cell under a microscope. You see thin threads interweaving with each other, and between every two threads we a large empty space. This is what the universe looks like, giant threads of matter and gas, interweaving across distances impossible to imagine, and between them, massive empty regions called cosmic voids, and at every point where two threads cross, a galaxy is born. Yes, galaxies don't form randomly. They form exactly where the threads of the web meet, as if the universe has a precise structure, as if there is a hidden system controlling everything. But there is one problem with Akil. This web is made primarily of dark matter, and dark matter, maybe nobody can see it. It emits no light, it reflects no light, it cannot be measured directly, but we know it exists because we see its effects, like seeing the effects of wind without seeing the wind itself. Dark matter makes up 85% of all matter in the universe, and we, with all our stars and planets and galaxies, make up only 15%. 85% of the universe nobody can see. And this invisible dark matter is what builds the cosmic web. It is what holds the universe together. It is the true skeleton of everything we see. So how did we finally see it? This is where James Webb comes in. James Webb, the most powerful telescope ever built by humans, orbiting the Sun 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. Seeing the universe with eyes no telescope has ever had before. An international team of scientists from the United States, Denmark, France, Finland, Switzerland, Japan, China, Germany, and Italy worked together for years. They analyzed more than 164,000 galaxies in the largest survey James Webb has ever conducted, called Cosmos Webb, and they traced the cosmic web back through time, all the way to when the universe was just 1 billion years old. 1 billion years after the Big Bang, and the web was already there. The team's lead researcher, Hossein Hatamnia, said, "James Webb has completely changed our view of the universe, and Cosmos Webb was designed from the start to give us the wide and deep view we need to see the web." But the discovery doesn't stop there. What scientists found inside this web answers one of the deepest questions in cosmology: how did galaxies form? For decades, this question had no answer. We knew galaxies existed, but we didn't know why they were in their exact locations. Now, for the first time, we know. Galaxies form where the threads of the cosmic web intersect. The web draws the map of the universe. And galaxies, including our own, are nothing more than intersection points in this web. We, as humans, live in a galaxy born at an intersection point in a web we had never seen until now. And the scientists also released a map of 164,000 galaxies to the public, and a video showing the cosmic web evolving across billions of years. Imagine that, a video showing how the universe was born from the Big Bang until this very moment. For the first time in history, a human being can watch the complete history of the universe, from the beginning until now. And what makes this discovery truly extraordinary is not just what we found, it's what it means for everything we thought we knew. For centuries, humans looked at the night sky and saw scattered stars. Random, chaotic, without order. But the cosmic web tells us something profound. The universe is not random. It has a structure, a hidden architecture built from invisible matter stretching across billions of light years. Every galaxy you have ever seen in a photograph, every star that has ever inspired a poet, every planet that has ever made a scientist dream exists because of this web. Without the cosmic web, there would be no galaxies, no stars, no planets, no us. We owe our entire existence to a structure we couldn't even see until May 12th, 2026. And perhaps the most humbling thought of all, if 85% of the universe is dark matter we cannot see, if the very skeleton of the cosmos was hidden from us until now, what else is out there? What other structures are waiting to be discovered? What other secrets is the universe still keeping from us? James Webb has only just begun. This is not the end of the discovery. This is the beginning. And this raises the deepest question, if the cosmic web controls where galaxies are born, is there an even deeper system beneath it? Does the universe have a structure deeper than anything we've discovered? Stop for a moment and think. You are sitting somewhere on this planet right now, in a galaxy born from a massive cosmic web, in a universe too vast to imagine. And until 2 weeks ago, no human had ever seen the structure that created you. Today, we saw it. Subscribe to Corn Science, because the universe has endless secrets, and we are here to uncover them.